ask, well, which adults need the measles vaccine? The simple answer is no. Surviving measles is believed to confer permanent immunity, and there is no evidence anyone has ever gotten measles twice, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Is there ever going to be an exception? Sure, there could be, said Dr. Aaron Glatt, an infectious disease specialist who spoke on behalf of the Infectious Diseases Society of America. But the official position, based on our best knowledge, is that if you had natural measles, you'll never get it again. Adults born in the United States through the end of 1956 are generally considered protected from measles because they lived through several years of epidemics of measles before the first measles vaccine was licensed in 1963, so they are very likely to have had measles, survived it and developed immunity. The highly contagious disease used to occur in epidemic cycles every 2 to 3 years, with 500 deaths and 500,000 cases reported each year in the United States before 1963. The actual number of cases may have been 3 million to 4 million annually because of underreporting, according to the CDC. Before the vaccine was developed, over half of all children in the United States contracted measles by the age of 6. And more than 90% had survived it by age 15. For those born after 1956, Dr. Glatt said, there's no guarantee they were exposed naturally. The CDC recommends vaccination for adults born after 1956 who weren't vaccinated in childhood. If you've received 2 doses of vaccine, you are considered to have lifelong immunity. If you are unsure whether you had measles, you have several choices. You can try to locate your vaccination records or other childhood medical records documenting your illnesses, or you can have a blood test to determine whether you're immune. Another option is to get a dose of the measles, mumps, rubella, or MMR, vaccine. Officials say there is no harm in getting the vaccine even if you may already be immune. It is important to get immunized because measles can cause serious complications, including a potentially fatal swelling of the brain and, in pregnant women, miscarriage or premature labor. 1 in 4 people with measles in the United States is hospitalized and 1 to 2 of 1,000 will die, even with good care.